The country I chose to do was France. In quadrant 1, I chose the city of Metz. In quadrant 2, I chose Rouen. In quadrant 3, Bordeaux. And in quadrant 4, the city Grenoble. The coordinates for quadrant 1, Metz, is 3, 2.75. In quadrant 2, the coordinates were negative 1.5, 3.2. In quadrant 3, negative 3.3. And in quadrant 4, 2.7 and negative 2.5. The vectors go from Metz to Bordeaux, quadrant 1 to quadrant 3, and from Rouen to Grenoble, quadrant 2 to quadrant 4. To find the distances, I used the distance formula, and I calculated the distance from quadrant 1 to quadrant 3, which was about 6 units, and I did the same thing for quadrant 2 to 4, which was about 7 units. The vector notation from quadrant 1 to quadrant 3, Metz to Bordeaux, was 0.25 and 6 underneath, and the vector notation from quadrant 2 to quadrant 4, Rouen to Grenoble, was negative 5.7, and underneath that 4.25.